Welcome to CACC Welding. So what is welding? Welding is the process of permanently joining two pieces of metal through the application of heat, pressure, or both. Simply put, we melt the steel together using very controlled processes, and the results are immediate and permanent. Here's a shot of that process by one of my students. Hello, welcome to the Capillary Career Center Welding Lab. My name is Mr. Caston. I'm the welding instructor here at CACC. I'm going to take you for a quick tour around the shop, tell you a little bit about the program, what we have to offer out here at CA. During your time at CACC, you will learn the basics of MIG, TIG, and stick welding, while also becoming proficient in the use of plasma cutters, oxyacetylene torches, grinders, saws, and many more metalworking tools. So thank you for your interest in our program. If welding sounds like it's something you'd be interested in, get with your guidance counselor and get signed up early. Come on out to CA. Thank you.